Well, all right, today's another fun-filled day of filling. Oh, where were you? I didn't see you here.
Well, here, this is the gist of it. So I think what I'm going to do is,
all the heavy looking on?
As he's bumping up, I'm going to let you guys go. Bye. So we got one up. I'm not sure what. I think, yeah. So we got, 6 of these. That's how Mr. Udizzy's doing it. So I'm gonna help him. I'm gonna help him get that in there now.
One down.
How many to go?
I think there's 6 more.
Holy.
This.
Oh yeah.
Just tons of stuff.
Look at, we got 3 heaters. We got all this. Anybody need a metal bedpan?
Yeah, gonna go potty. Look at all the beautiful silverware too. Ooh, what's this? Look at all the beautiful silverware and stuff.
That's a cheese cutter. Right? Tongs. Anybody need some tongs?
You want a tong?
And then we got this stuff over here. Looks like maybe a baker or something. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe someone baked. What's in that box?
It's just an empty metal box.
Oh.
Anything metal like this is good to go.
Yeah, I don't.
There's just tons of stuff here.
Yeah.
You know?
This is all
box
going.
Stands, brand new, you know, but I don't have time to sort it out or try to sell it, so anything metal is going in the scrap.
Yeah.
Nice old tables like this. Pumps, wrenches, pins. There's a whole pan set.
Wow, that's old, huh?
Off we go like a prom dress.
And look at all this stuff. All right, well, I'm gonna go back to help Dave. And then these things, right? This thing, or is that something?
Yeah,
that's a keeper.
Go too. And this here, I gotta drain the oil out of this. It's filled with copper. So, and I mean copper. Look.
Oh yeah, I see where.
To show everyone, look at that.
We're gonna cut that open.
No, that's all copper. Yeah. All of these, the end of this, this. I think these pieces right here are copper. Yep. These pieces are copper. We're gonna have to strip this over the shop.
Alright, so let's get back to it, alright?
Yep.
We'll let you guys know the progress soon, maybe. Well, you guys seen what the pile looked like before. We got at it. That's the last one. Well,
for today.
The last one that we have for today.
Take a walk. Let's show them what's left here.
Oh, Tina.
Walked up the hill.
Sorry. I had to throw that over there. I'm not going to that other side. A lot of this is junk.
Yeah, all this is trash. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 of those bigger ones.
Yeah, and then this whole wall here still has some. There's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more here.
Oh my.
There's 7 more here. I don't know if they can really see in here, but
no.
7
Probably
more of those. And,
so,
any other miscellaneous metals, you know?
Wow, they got into it a lot, though, huh?
Yeah, we did. We got through all of it. Like, this section is what's left they got to go through, I think.
That's it?
Yeah. I mean, this right here is probably going to end up being scrap. Anything metal, you know?
Yeah.
So,
it's got like a lot of wood and stuff down. Not wood, what is that? Cardboard.
Yeah.
A lot of cardboard stuff, huh?
But we're getting there.
Oh, look, peanuts.
Oh, yeah, you wouldn't believe what's here. There's just tons and tons of stuff.
That's what I was talking about, peanuts. Calendar. Trash?
There's zigzag box. You gotta check that one. But anyways, what's this?
Foxwoods.
Foxwoods.
Yeah, so
yeah, that's what we're doing, and I still have 2 more file cabinets in that room over there to pull out. You just can't get to it yet.
yeah.
This metal cabinet right here. There's just tons of stuff and tons of garbage.
World of Scouting, Norman Rockwell. Oh, cool.
So what is this? Is this a picture of all?
Black and white.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I think Red Gone to Gray would like this book.
We'll have to
inquire. Yeah. Red Gone to Gray, if you want this, let me know.
Yeah. Look at this. Yankee Swapper.
Tina, if your back is sore when you're done, I got this thing.
Oh, nice.
We got some new sneakers. Tape measures. You guys need tape measures? Come on now. Come on now. We got tape measures. What else we got here? We got shoes. How you doing? We got shoes. We got shoes. You know? Come on now.
I have to say there's a little...
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
I have no clue. A box full of these. That's the thing about places like this. We found a coin collection, but these are just the sleeves. But he found 2 different coin collections.
California Kosher. What do we got books over here? Jewish Humor, Stories for Kids.
Nice.
I think Hazy Days would like that.
Yeah, he would.
Atlas East. Antiques. Sweet. All right, let's get back to work. Well, we got 1 load done. From the looks of it, it looks like we're probably going to have maybe 3 or 4 loads. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe we got 6. You can see up there. We got 6 file cabinets in there. The truck is pretty full, pretty damn heavy. But it's all for a good cause, so just keep those smiles on our face. And we're gonna head off to the scrapyard. Well, we got it all in there. Now we're off to the scrapyard. Thanks for the help, Tina. Tina, even you can't see it. The sun's glaring. She ruined her Udizzy shirt. Oh well. All right, so we're gonna do the guessing now. I'm guessing it's gotta be maybe 90 bucks, 100 bucks. I'm hoping. But what do you think, Tina? 150.
150. Now she's dreaming. It's only scrap. We'll see. Yeah, buddy, here we are. The buyers of all metal. Pulling in once again, schnitzers. On up to the scrap day at the scrapyard. So here's the big pile, and there's Mr. Udizzy. We're gonna empty it. Okay, bye. I'm gonna let him do all the work this time. Would you like me to help you? Huh? Would you like me to help you? No, I'm good. Alright, this place is pretty cool. Look at all the cars. Look at this guy. Woohoo! Look at the antifreeze coming out.
Sweet. Pretty cool. Look at all the cars. Oh my. Alright, I'm gonna have to get out of the way before I get hit. So I think it said it was 6,900 and something pounds with all the stuff in, I believe. Not quite sure. But look at this guy. Another car. So this is how we're getting them off.
See your credit card.
Oh no.
That's plastic. I don't think they take that here.
No. I've been watching them with the cars. I think it's pretty cool. They make it look like nothing. Look at it. Sorry. Oh, that's kind of scary. I'm a little close here. That's so cool. Whoops. This guy's awesome. I'm gonna check all the cabinets just in case. And the last one. Good job.
Yeah. Okay, here we got it. It was 101 even. Oh no, 101.
101.60.
101.60. Yeah, there we go. So not bad for a morning score for the kids. Thank you, Glenn, for another donation to the Kids Fund. Friggin' rights. Thank you, Tina, for helping.
You're welcome. Now what are we doing?
We're loading a truck up for a flea market.
Me and Dave are gonna do a flea market.
So stay tuned for those videos. And thanks, Schnitzes, for helping us out today. And thanks for watching Udizzy. Another scrap run. Peace.